In this video, you'll learn how to create a travel planner in Notion. By following these steps, you will set up a comprehensive tool to organize your trips efficiently. Begin by navigating to the Notion website, open your preferred web browser, and enter notion.so in the address bar. Once the page loads, you will see the Notion interface, which may prompt you to sign in if you are not already logged into your account. After signing in, locate the drop-down menu, which is usually found in the left sidebar. Click on this menu to reveal additional options. This menu allows you to access various features and templates within Notion. Next, select the option labeled Templates from the drop-down menu. This action will redirect you to a page showcasing various templates available for use. Templates can significantly simplify your setup process. Now, click on Marketplace to explore a wider selection of templates. Here, you will find numerous categories, including travel planners. This section is crucial for discovering pre-made solutions that can enhance your planning experience. Once you are in the Marketplace, look for the search box at the top of the page. Click on the search box to activate it, allowing you to enter specific terms related to your search. Type travel planner into the search box and press enter. This action will filter the results to display only those templates related to travel planning, making it easier to find what you need. After the search results appear, browse through the available travel planner templates. Take your time to review the options and choose a template that best fits your travel needs and preferences. Once you have selected a template, click on the Add button associated with your chosen option. This will initiate the process of adding the template to your Notion workspace. Following that, click on the Add to Private option. This step ensures that the template is saved in your personal workspace, allowing you to customize it as needed. You will then see a message indicating that the template is being added. Wait a moment for the system to process this request. This confirmation is important as it lets you know that the action is underway. After a short loading period, you will receive a notification stating that the template is ready. This message confirms that your selected template has been successfully added to your workspace. Next, click on the See Template button to view your new travel planner. This action will open the template, allowing you to start editing and customizing it according to your travel plans. At this point, you can begin to highlight key sections of the template that are most relevant to your travel needs. Click on areas that require attention or personalization. You may also want to explore different views within the planner. For example, click on the board view to see a visual representation of your travel plans, which can help in organizing tasks and itineraries. To further refine your travel planner, click on All to view all items associated with your travel plans. This comprehensive view allows for better oversight of your itinerary. Continue to enhance your planner by clicking on Itinerary. This section is where you can outline your travel schedule, including activities and important dates. To add geographical context, click on Map. This feature allows you to visualize your travel locations, which can be helpful for planning logistics. You can also check the full schedule option to see a detailed overview of your travel plans. This overview helps ensure that you have all necessary information at your fingertips. Next, select Calendar View to see your travel plans laid out in a calendar format. This visual representation aids in understanding your schedule at a glance. To revisit the map view, click on Map, again to ensure you have all locations plotted accurately. This feature is essential for travel planning, especially if you are visiting multiple destinations. Finally, click on Photo Wall to create a visual collection of your travel memories. This section allows you to upload and display photos, adding a personal touch to your planner. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.